Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at ABPV, short for America's Best Pics and Videos. Okay, this app is actually a popular platform for sharing and enjoying funny memes, short videos, images, and it's actually gained a lot of attention for its community. Guys, look at this, 10 plus million downloads, and this is just Google Play. This is not even the App Store, not even counting the App Store, guys. Okay, so it has a lot of attention for its community, and it's community driven. It has lighthearted content, right? I'll basically walk you through its main features, the pros and cons, and whether it's actually worth checking out, guys. So let's dive in. Okay, so what is actually ABPV? So this is an app designed for people who want to enjoy memes, short clips, and funny photos. Just think of it as a mix between, TikTok, Instagram, and Reddit, where the focus is actually on entertaining content that's meant to make you laugh or share a relatable moment. Unlike some other social media platforms, APBV is less about influencers or polished posts and more about, genuine and often humorous user-generated content like this one here, guys. So let's dive into the key features that actually make ABPV popular among users. So one thing, guys, is there's a wide variety of content. Okay, it's about all about diversity in content, with memes, short videos, gifs, and pictures. It's divided into categories. There's animals, funny, sports, and much more, guys, which makes it easy to find content that actually matches your mood. And also, guys, what it has is it has community voting and comment. So just like Reddit, users can actually upvote and downvote posts, which makes it easier for popular content to rise to the top. And you can also leave comments on posts to interact with users, adding a more social dimension to the experience, guys. Also, guys, what you can do is you can follow creators or specific types of contents to actually build a feed that is tailored to your interests. This personalization feed, okay, this personalized feed actually helps you discover content that actually aligns with your taste, guys, okay? And it just shows you what you want to see. So you can also create your own content. Look, this app is not just about consuming content. You can actually create and share your own funny pictures or videos, and the app includes a basic, tools to help you upload and even edit your posts before you actually share them. And the app also, guys, regularly features challenges or trends where users participate in themed content, making it actually fun to join in whatever the what is currently popular in the community. So some of the pros, I would start with the pros, and then we're gonna go to the cons. The pros are, one is that it's great for quick laughs. It has a focus on humor and feel good content. It's basically a fun app if you're looking to unwind or get a quick laugh during the day. It has good community engagement, the upvote, downvote system and comments. It has a personalized feed where you see what exactly you like and less of what you don't. It has easy content creation due to its tools. But the cons, guys, the cons, okay? One is that there's a very big ad filled experience, okay? The free version of ABPV actually comes with quite a few ads, guys, and which some users find disruptive, okay? There's a lot of ads. There's actually an option to go ad free with a subscription, but of course, not everyone would want to pay for that. And it's also not suitable, guys, for all ages, okay? Some content on the ABPV can be a bit edgy, or I would say, inappropriate for, let's just say, younger audiences, so it's not necessarily kid friendly. And there's also repetitive content, right? Because of its meme focused approach, what happens, guys, is you might see the same trends or jokes repeating across posts, which can sometimes feel a bit redundant, okay? And also, guys, there's also limited content moderation. Like many community-driven apps, content quality may vary, and occasionally there may be inappropriate or, low-quality posts. So, in my opinion, okay, is ABPV worth downloading? Well, if you enjoy a casual entertainment, then ABPV can actually be a fun app to check out, especially if you're into memes and lighthearted content, right? It's best suited for anyone, guys, basically, who's looking for a quick laugh or something less serious than traditional social media. However, guys, if ads bother you or you're not into meme culture, it might not be a great fit. Overall, I would say that the ratings are good and everything, so ABPV is a fun app for humor and easygoing content, especially if you're looking for an alternative to more influencer driven social media apps. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I hope this review of the ABPV app for 2024 has helped you decide if it's actually worth a download. Let me know in the comments if what you think of ABPV, and don't forget to guys to subscribe for more app reviews. Guys, make sure you subscribe to Find Your Solution so I can see you guys in the next video.